Hey guys, DaveWeLike here. So today we're going to be talking about Roku surround sound. My smart soundbar and the subwoofer that I bought last year have just been upgraded, which is awesome. So the last piece to the puzzle to get surround sound is right in this box. Now these are the Roku TV wireless speakers. Yes, the branding is a little off because when these initially launched, they were meant for the Roku TV systems, but I don't have a Roku TV. And I only have the Roku Smart Soundbar, and these now can talk to that system, right? So I know it's a little confusing at first, but just go with it. Basically, this Smart Soundbar is very modular in its audio capabilities, and is so simple and easy to set on up, as you can see in my previous unboxing video. So go ahead and watch that. Since I've made that video, a lot of updates to the Smart Soundbar have come out, in which I think they've made the audio sound a lot better than when I initially got the device. I'm able to turn the volume up a lot louder than what I previously was able to. Like I was on volume 2 and I'm like, this is so crazy loud. And since then, either I've gone deaf or they figured out whatever kind of bug that was. Also, I finally figured out what the digital optic audio cable is for, in which you do want to plug it into your Roku Smart Soundbar as well as your TV. If you have third-party devices like your Xbox, your PlayStation, this will allow you to go ahead and use the audio capabilities of that smart soundbar to receive the audio coming from your Xbox or your PlayStation. So in this particular case, I'm going to get surround sound gaming, and it's going to be dope. So let's go ahead and begin the madness of unboxing these Roku TV wireless speakers. So it's going to be a fun, long video. Get ready for it, y'all. All right, so here they are. Okay. They are wrapped up and ready to go with their Roku stickers. I like that. Let's go ahead and open up the TV speakers here. Okay, looks very nice, very solid indeed. That being said, you can see on the back there is one button saying pair. So, there's also another reset right there. And at the bottom, we're going to be plugging in the cord for power. It is wireless after all, but we still need that power cord. All right, at the very bottom of this box, it might take a little while, but there is another box within a box. There it goes. Okay, so this is where all of our accessories are. So we've got 2 power cables as well as 2 remotes. You might be saying, why do you need 2 remotes? I don't know. I'm just telling you. I got 2 remotes here. And there goes one of them. So this remote should replace your Roku TV remote, right? But I don't think I'm going to have to do that because I don't have a Roku TV. I use the Roku Smart Soundbar remote. This particular remote is kind of cool. It's different, obviously. Right? This one is like a tabletop remote. You can go ahead and place it on your table, and you would control your Roku, media, mainly music, and you could go ahead and pause it, turn it up, turn it down, speak to the Roku via the microphone, and just say, hey, switch on over to Pandora or play this type of music or whatever it is. So this is great if you got like a big house, but I don't. I have a 1-bedroom apartment, so I tend to just walk around with my Roku remote in my pocket if I'm listening to music, and it just wirelessly listens, and you turn it down or turn it up right here, or you could pause it, the music, if you're listening to something. There you go. That was really a short unboxing. Let's go ahead and just quickly plug these 2 bad boys in to see how it is that you go ahead and set them up with the Roku Smart Soundbar. When you go ahead and plug the Roku TV wireless speakers into an electric outlet, the speakers will speak.
Hello. To begin, make sure your Roku TV is on. Hello. Using your existing TV make sure your Roku TV is on. Press the home button for 5 seconds. Then, select speaker. Press the home button for 5 seconds. To repeat these instructions, select speaker. Press the pair button on the speaker. To repeat these instructions, press the pair button on the speaker.
I ignored what they said, as what they were talking about, again, was referencing the Roku TV. So what I did was, on my Roku Smart Soundbar, I went to the settings, and then I went to remotes and devices, then clicking on Set up a new device, and of course selected speakers. Then you just have to wait around for the Roku Smart Soundbar to find the Roku TV wireless speakers, which takes some time. And each speaker will need to receive an update in order to be compatible with the Smart Soundbar. So there is a new sound setting that we can go ahead and explore by hitting the star button, going into sound settings, in which you'll see now expanded stereo. So this is because we have the left and right speakers. So it's on the mode movies and TV, which there's also then music, as well as you can turn them off if you don't want the left and right speakers to be playing any audio whatsoever. So I know it's really hard for you all to get a sense of like whether or not this actually works, whether or not you hear the surround sound. And let me just tell you, it works. It sounds awesome. It's like bringing the movie experience into your home. As you all saw, setting up these speakers with my smart soundbar and the subwoofer was so simple to do. I mean, it couldn't have been easier. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. And I'll talk to you all in the next video. Make sure you do subscribe for more coming soon.